Hey y'all, it's Monique with the Cookout Studio coming to you with a little vlog. So this is a vlog that I recorded in November, and it's just a cook-off among friends, and my husband, not we, my husband competed in the pan de campo and the pico de gallo. So he got first place in the pico de gallos, which is exciting, right? And you'll see that in a little bit. And just little things that we did in November, how I decorated my front door and a little area that I have in the living room, and just a little game that Jason and I played. But just very simple vlogging. Just wanted to share with you what we did in November. So, okay, y'all, be safe, stay strong. Attitude is everything.